To all my new subscribers, welcome aboard. Today I'm doing something a little different. I've never done this before. I love gadgets, and whenever I see a new gadget, piques my interest, and I have to see if, see if I think I might like to buy it. So anyway, this is not a sponsored video by any means. This is just my opinion. I saw this on Home Shopping Network. I was watching TV one night and it was called the Egg Stripper. I'll insert a picture. Now this egg stripper supposedly will peel up to 5 eggs in 10 seconds. And I watched them do it on TV over and over and over, and I said, that's pretty cool, because the cameraman and I both like deviled eggs. So a lot of times I make a lot of them. We'll have them for lunch or we'll have them for a snack. And it's a pain in the neck to sit there peeling them. I know there's little hacks on how to peel eggs, but when I saw this and I saw how the woman did it, apparently she said that when she came from another country and she owned, or does own, like some type of a luncheonette. And she said every morning she used to get in there and peel so many eggs to make, the egg salad for the day. So she investigated how big companies do this, and supposedly she scaled it down to a smaller size. So we'll see. I haven't used it yet. So this says it's called shake and peel. You shake, shake, shake your eggs in this egg and they supposedly peel. Now, it says on here, it's PBA free, easy storage, dishwasher safe. It's supposed to be cook, chill, and shake and peel. Egg stripper with a patented elliptical design which spins and rotates eggs in water, utilizing over 100 engineered nodules to loosen and remove the eggshells. So we're going to see if it works now. So I hard-boiled some eggs, and this is what it looks like. Pretty simple. It's the top and bottom of an egg, a plastic egg, and this top screws on to the bottom. All right, so it says to put cold water up to the fill line. So I'm going to pour this water, cold water, up to the fill line in there. Okay, and then I'm going to put 2 eggs in for now. Or should I put 3? What do you think, cameraman?
2.
2 for now? It says you can put up to 5. And then you screw the top on, which I didn't screw on correctly. There we go. Woo. Okay. Now you're supposed to hold the black base, and you're supposed to, it says, hold the egg stripper with both hands in an upright position and shake for 5 to 6 seconds at medium strength. What's medium strength? Here we go. What do you think? I don't think so. Let's try again. Maybe their medium strength isn't my medium strength. Okay, let's see if the shell came off these eggs. That's 5 or 6 seconds, right? All right, let me open it. Ta-da! Try it. Ta-da! Cameraman's over there making eyes. There we go. Let's see if the shells came off. I don't know. Yup, shells came off this one perfectly. This one. Yeah, shells came off this one perfectly. So I think you just have to get used to it and get the hang of it, and all the shells are left here in the water. So I think I would say it works. Maybe I should try it with 5 eggs in it before I give my opinion. But so far, this egg stripper did strip the eggs. Took all the shell off it. And it's a lot better than sitting there peeling those eggs with your hand. So now, cameraman, I want to ask you, didn't you tell me you wanted me to save the eggshells?
Yes, Baking Diva.
What are you going to do with them?
Put them in the garden.
In the garden. Does anybody else out there put their eggshells in the garden? If you do, let me know. And I'll pass it on to the cameraman. So anyway, my review on the egg stripper, I would give it a thumbs up. I know I'm going to be using it. I think it works okay. So this is my first review of a product. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below and press the little bell next to it. This was fun, just another gadget of mine. So anyway, love you all. Come on back, I'll see you soon. Toodles!